Welcome, welcome, welcome. It's 2025. So listen, if you want to get Red Hat Certified Systems Administrator, you have so many programs online that are like 10,000, 15,000 boot camps that are 10,000, 5,000, 15,000, 20,000. I mean, just really, really crazy expensive. So what I'm trying to do is teach you why you don't need to spend that kind of money, right? So here's some options that are low price, right? So now Red Hat Enterprise Linux. So the training courses for Red Hat are RH 124 and RH 134. This is for the RHCSA, right? The Red Hat Certified Systems Administrator exam. Now, LabX, a company that is awesome for AI integration and also step-by-step labs, right, has a platform that would allow you